Asenso, gabi mga ka-Asenso. Welcome back sa itong first ever Mayor sa Bicol Sanso Barangay Cup. O karon, welcome na usap ka mo nga mo cheer, mo witness ato yung fifth game which will be played by Barangay Tiguma versus Barangay Bulatok. Sa mga ka-Asenso, no, ayaw ka mo kalimot nga mo like, mo follow, mo share sa atong Facebook page, Asenso Sport Channel, o sa ating YouTube account, Asenso Sport Channel Official, para everyday ka mo nga makamonitor sa atong everyday live streams. Sa mga ka-Asenso, no, pwede usap ka mo nga mabisita diri sa atong Red City Covered Court, kay open kay ni kayo kini anytime nga naatay game. So mga ka-Asenso, relax and enjoy the game. I'm Ivy Marchan Carpentero. Padayon, pag-Asenso, pagadiyan.
Sound check. Sound check. Sound check live. Live. Aw. Ana. Kana. Kana. Hinay? Sound check. Sound check. Ray. Wala. Max na ang volume, ani, max. Max na ang volume, max. Okay. Wala, muhalok na ang mic sa akong baba. Sana all. Makalok sa akong baba. Again, sound check. Good. Loud and clear. Madunggan ako pag-usap sa mani. And live mga ka-Asenso, dinig hapon sa Asenso Covered Court. It's our first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup. Game 2 karong gabiuna sa Urban Division Games between Barangay Tiguma and Barangay Bulatok. As De La Peña nailing that one, kidding. Lob for Barangay Tiguma. 17. Falls away, no good. Relova with a rebound. Now to Lance. Lance inside to Laput. No look pass. Muntikan pa lumabas. Ramones inside to Laput. Pull up jumper and it's good by Laput. Aminulia. To Las Prillas. To Burok. Burok cross court pass. Intercepted by De La Peña. Behind the back. Now to Ramones. Balik kay De La Peña sa labas. Corner 3. And no good. Loose ball foul called against Laput. And a big shout out to all the live viewers no, via Asenso Sports Channel. Labi na sa mga taga Bulatok o taga Tigumang Agalantaw karon live. Maayong gabi ka ninyo tanan. At magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga nanonood dyan live Luzon, mula Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao and all over the world via Asenso Sports Channel. Burok, bounce pass, almost stolen by De La Peña, out of bounds. Ball will remain in Barangay Bulatok. No good. Long pass para kay Ramones. Bounce pass to Relova. Balik kay Ramones. Under the baseline is good. 6-0 run for Barangay Tiguma. What a three-point shot there by numbers 15. And another steal by Burok. Up and under. Balik kay Saison. Rep, di ko kita rep. Ball stolen by Lance. Lance with the ball to Relova. Turn around, baseline, and it's good by Relova. Good assist there by Lance. Saison blocked by Lance. Las Prilla with a follow, and it's good. Another good defensive play here for Lance Ko. Ball strip and stolen by Las Prilla. Muntikan pang nabitawan. Behind the back pass para kay Burok. And baseline shot for Saison. De La Peña to Laput. De La Peña kasi. Ramones din eh, Ramones. Number 11. Ramonias. De La Peña. Ramones for 3. No good. Rebounded by Laput. Inabot pa talaga ng kamay ni Laput ang rebound na yon. Height advantage. Height and body advantage by Laput against those two smaller guards. Saison for 3. No good. Ramones with the rebound. Now to De La Peña. Balik kay Relova. Relova all the way. Left-hander is good by Relova. Long pass para kay 14. Ball stolen by De La Peña. Stops to Lance. Long 3. And no good. Rebounded by Saison. Saison umatake and he's fouled by Ramones. Saison. First throw is no good. Second throw. Wala yun. Taas yung kay gap si Ramones o si Aminulia in terms of height. Relova. Nindo trabaning tiguma kay tigyon magkumpiyansa ba. Walang patawad. Makusog o mahinay ang kalaban. Burok steals that ball. Now to Saison against De La Peña. No good. Rebounded now by Laput. Hello, good evening, Ma'am Rowena Saromines. Good evening, tara ninyo diha, Sir and Go Barangay Tiguma. Yeah, may gabi, Ma'am Rowena. We miss you a lot. Wala ka kaganina. And Relova steps on the line. Ball will remain in Barangay Bulatok. Burok to Saison. Firing from downtown. Short. Out of bounds, ball goes to Barangay Tiguma. Na-answer ikaw may wala. Oy, wala ka ganina sa first game sa Urban Games. (12-7) ang score with 4 minutes and 28 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Lance driving. Floater short. Laput is there to save the ball. Oh, napay next game. Las Prilla umatake. He's fouled. Castañeda, Umandam, and Labrador will check in for Barangay Tiguma. Mananatili si Lance at si Relova. Las Prilla nailing that second throw. Way mo dawat sa mula. Lance with the ball. Making a play. Looking for a screen. Now to Reloba. Inside pass to Mandam. 5-second shot clock. Labrador. Tumira ng 3. Mintes. Rebounded by Sason. Now to Burok. Lays it up for 2 by Burok. 4-point lead for Barangay Tiguma. Castañeda to Lansco. To Labrador. Balik kay Castañeda sa labas. Fakes. Reloba. Muntikan pang matravel. Las Prillia with the rebound. Hinahabol ni Labrador. Las Prillia outside to Alminula for 3. Bang! 3-pointer by Alminula for Barangay Bulatok. Lead now is cut to 1, 14-13. Castañeda attacking. Outside to Labrador, to Lansco, open for 3. Bouncing off the rim, no good. Rebounded by Las Prillia. Las Prillia stops, fires from downtown, short. Rebounded by Lansco. Now to Castañeda. Castañeda all the way is fouled. Kita kayo yun. First game, wala, nakatulog. Wala pa ko ana mga orasa. Kuhan ako nagsugod. San Francisco and Buena Vista. Castañeda on the line. And nailing that first throw. Kaon sa tagman eh. Nalingaw mi sa fans dire nga kuan ay LGBT nga fans ay kay lucky mag-actingog di sagit. Go baby. 6-0 ba kay ngamaw oh. 3-point lead. Whoa! Saison, good ball handling here. Las Prillia. Jump shot no good. Go baby. Labrador. What a nice attack. Pero kinapos ang layup. Ball goes to Barangay Bulatok. Burok. Las Prillia falls away. No good. Tapi ka ng bola sa taas. Las Prillia with a rebound. Hangs in the air. No good. Third rebound ni Lansco for tonight. Passing it to Bebe Castañeda. And is fouled. Bebe na din karon. Go Bebe. Go yan yung bayutan niya. Ang ganahan kay ko na maglantog mga ingon ani dali sulod sa gym ba kay malingaw jud kay ka. Lance driving, his fouled. Lansco, a trip to the line. Tiguma leading by 3 points. Second throw is good. Big shout out to all our live viewers via Ascenso Sports Channel. Alminula again. Missing it this time. Fourth rebound by Lance. Bebe Castañeda behind the back. Hustled. Nice defense for Barangay Bulatok. Alminula with a steal. Saison, wow. Las Prillia fades away. Bouncing off the rim, no good. Rebounded by Anciano. Now to Labrador. Ball stolen by number 14. Now to Saison. Against 2 defenders. Stops. Fires. What a fake and what a shot by Saison. Huling-huli si Labrador for that shot. The lead now is cut to 2. Bebe Castañeda. Outside pass to Labrador. Now to Ko. Time winding down. and no good for the 3-pointer. 2-point lead for Barangay Tiguma as the first quarter ends. Spectacular performance by Saison. Nice fake there by Saison. And sound check ulit. Sound check ulit. Lagi. Second quarter mga ka-Asenso. Spectacular performance here by Saison of Barangay Bulatok. Saison and Las Prillas nagtutulungan for Bulatok para makahabol. And now, only 2 points lang ang lamang ng Barangay Tiguma. Number 10. Ball stripped from behind by number 13. Outside. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Barangay Tiguma. Dagumo. Isa ganun number 13. Oy, balik kay Dagumo. Pass out niya sa repere. Inside pass to Ko. Low post and another foul. (17 to 15).
Mukha ni bayutan ni. Go daddy.
Siksik kayo, laki kang tingog. Alisaka, Las Prillas, nabitawan ang bola. Agawan, Dagumo wins the scuffle. Dagumo, nice speed para kay Lapot. Nabitawan ni Lapot, out of bounds. Ball goes to Barangay Bulatok. (19 to 15). Mejias, nabitawan. Mejias again, nabitawan na naman. To Alisaka, against Ko, inside. Ball stolen by Dagumo. Dagumo to Lapot. Attacking. Up and under is good by Lapot. Mejias. To number 16. Balik sa labas. Muntikan pang mabakcourt. Mejias. Up and under, no good. Rebounded. Fifth rebound by Lance Ko. Of the night. (22 to Las Prillas for 3. No good. Uy, hi, good evening. Greet lang nako, happy anniversary. Melta Robeta, gahapon na anniversary by Janice Lumumbang. And a timeout here is called by Barangay Tiguma. And back to our ball game from that timeout. Itukas inside to Lance. Nakalusot. Ooh! Still no basket for Lance. But strong move by Lance Ko from the baseline. Good catch by Lance. Despite having a defender in his face. Ayan o, shout out kan Justness diha. Mangluod na punto ba? James Kagiwa, kumusta laban? Ay, pala no. Ma-check ko nga. Nakakainis panoorin ang Philippines versus Angola. Wala pa ba? Alvarez nailing that wing 3. Uy, shout out Asentista and by Barangay San Jose. Go Tiguma, Mayumi. Maya pa pala. Anong oras, James? Ball will remain in Barangay Tiguma. Anong oras? Mayumi, go Tiguma. Uy, special chicharon, alabag net. May tayo makakaon punta na Mayumi ay. Ball stolen by Lasprilla. Lasprilla all the way. Lasprilla the flash. Ini tong flash pod sa ball. Lapot. Ball straight from his hands. Now to number 10, short for that layup. It took us with the rebound. What's up, drinking sessions? Dagumo bounce pass to Ko. And Lance Ko from under the baseline. What's up, drinking sessions? May pulutan ako dito. Wala pang inumin. Palit. Alvarez, isa pang 3. Short this time. Dagumo with the rebound. To Lapot. Lapot to Itukas. Short ang tira. Rebounded by Alvarez. Pag minamalas ka nga naman. Mejias to Alvarez for 3. Short pa rin. Dagumo with the rebound. Ball strip. And now to number 13. To Lance Ko. Lance with the ball. Setting up a screen. For 3. No good. Alisaka with the rebound. Alisaka. Nice fake by Mejias. Basket and a foul for Mejias of Barangay Bulatok. And a timeout here called by Barangay Bulatok. 22-24, only 2-point lead for Barangay Tiguma with 5 minutes and 19 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Shout out JB Ayunan. Shout out kay Ate Mayumi. Oy, drinking sessions, may pulutan ako dito man eh. Mayumi, palit sir. Seryoso? Drinking sessions. O na, maya ako. Gin pa talaga ha. Nga pala, hindi ko pa pala na-claim yung price ko last time, no? Sassing outside feed to number 14 for 3. Off the glass is good. Stepping on the line for Barangay Bulatok. Oh, shout out ko sa kong bossing Sir Lance ko watching here in his house. Unta daw kapag mga kay ready na inyong panihapon dire. Apilapon mi ma'am. Sa inyong panihapon. Buntag makaapil butas panihapon diha no. Lovely Lariba Pitogo. 27-23, 4-point lead for Barangay Tiguma. Hindi lang nagkakalayo ang lamang ng Tiguma for this Barangay Bulatok. De Fiesta dito naka-tres ka ganina. De Fiesta ulit. Now to Relova. Hesitation. Relova, nice screen. Nabitawan pa ni Sasing. Go LSC, Almira Teng. Go Barangay Tiguma. Ma'am, good evening, Ma'am Almira Teng. Boss Lance is here. Mayas crossover. Mara for 3. Way off the mark. Sasing to Custodio, inside to Laput. Umararo, yes sir. Patunti-unti nang lumalayo ang Tiguma for this game. Mara ulit. Double team, nice defense for Barangay Tiguma. Custodio to De Fiesta, to Relova, nice transition. Ball stripped from his hands by Mejas. 17-second shot clock. Ball will remain in Barangay Tiguma. Relova. Nakalusot. Umararo. And yes sir by Relova. Mejas to Mara, blocked by the board. De Fiesta, ball intercepted by Kiap. Kiap blocked by Relova. Custodio gets the ball. Pinasa kay referee Rotter. And Rotter out of bounds. Alanganin man yung apelido ni Kiap. Oy, dapat na ni O. Number 22 Kiap rin. Basig na ni O ba? Nalimot lang sila kuan. Print. Kiap rin. Dapat Kiapo. Again, big shout out here for Miss Almira Teng. Good evening, ma'am. (31-23), 3 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Alvarez. Outside feed to Mara for 3. Bang! 3-pointer for Mara of Bulatok. Abaw, mahabol ah. De Fiesta to Sasing. Sasing babawi. No good. Now to Saison. Alvarez for 3. Tapi ka ng bola sa itaas. Rebounded by De La Peña. Firing from downtown. Way off the mark. Rebounded by Saison. Saison ulit. Against 3 defenders. No good this time. De Fiesta with the rebound. 1 minute and 52 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Sasing. Ball handling skills. Short for the layup. Gets his own rebound. Heavily guarded. Agawan ng bola. Jump ball. Ball will remain in Barangay Tiguma. Wala ng fans si Castañeda. Castañeda will check in for Tiguma. Balik kay De La Peña. Turn around. 5-second shot clock. Inside to Laput. And Laput scores in the middle. Kiap. Oh. Mara again for 3. Quick release, no good. De La Peña with a rebound. Careless pass by De La Peña. Miscommunication to Castañeda. Alvarez fakes, fires, and no good. Lapot the rebound. Lapot, Torelobas sa gitna. Block from behind. Ooh, a foul called against Quiapo. Quiapo.
Third personal foul. Third team foul. Bola to.
Castañeda, 40 seconds left. Crosses over to De La Peña. Steps back for three. No good. Alvarez with the rebound. Time winding down with 30 seconds. Kiap to Alisaka. Alisaka to Saison. Saison nakalusot. Turn around. Blocked by Reloba. Sayang, kinapos sa height si Saison. Castañeda, inuubos ang oras. Torelova, nag-iisa. And that's the end of our first half, mga kaset. So 35-26. 9-point lead for Barangay Tiguma. Back to our ball game, third quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Castañeda to De La Peña. Good zone defense, pero nakalusot pa rin si De La Peña, having the height advantage. Yung taas-taas yun si De La Peña compared ano yung mga player karon nga nasa korte for Barangay Bulatok. Mejias inside. To Alisaka sa gitna. Mejias is fouled.
First personal foul. First team foul. Eagle ball.
In and out for that second throw. Ramonias inside to Laput.
Jersey number 16. Second personal foul. First team foul. Bulatok.
Di man di ay ang mao ang video nga akong gilantaw. Ayun, kapatid ni Jeron. Mas matangkad sa Urban. Yep, dami matatangkad dito sa Urban. 38-27. Alminula to Mejias against Castañeda. Mejias di makalusot. Forced shot. Shot clock violation against Barangay Bulatok. Boss, ikaw ba yung... Yes! Drinking sessions! Ako yun. Napa-PM tuloy ako ng seryoso. Laput, in and out. Tapi ka ng bola sa itaas. Ko with the rebound. Outside to Balongkas. Ay, Balongkas na noon. Sini Ramonias. Castañeda. De La Peña for three. No good. Tinapik ang bola. Offensive rebound for Barangay Tiguma. 10-second shot clock. Castañeda to Ramones. In and out pa rin. Oh, wapag yung bukuha sa bola. Mejias to Alminula. Fakes. Fires. Airball. Lands go with his 7th rebound of the night. Castañeda hardly fouled from that play.
Jersey number 9. First personal foul. Second team foul. Bulatok.
Castañeda. Second throw, no good. Mejias. Whoa! But his block. Kapos lang talaga sa height ko si Mejias. Maganda na ang kanyang ball handling and moves. Kaso lang, kinakapos talaga pag siya yung maatake sa ilalim. Given the fact na masyadong matatangkad ang Barangay Tiguma. De La Peña, muntikan pang nabitawan ang bola. Double dribble for De La Peña. Rowena Sarumines, you don't have plan to play next season. Kung matanggap ako sa... kung madawat ko sa... Kung na-try out at Tiguma. Actually, taga-Tiguma. Uy! Wash out Boss Kim Pilozada from AJL 62. Very generous and a good person, Boss Kim Pilozada. Ruena sa Rumin. Actually, taga-Tiguma ako, pero kaloy andi ay makasulod tas Tiguma. Di, maayo makadula, pero og dili tam dawat, di lang mo tam dula. Ana ra mo na. Kung magpa-try out ang Tiguma, apil kung try out, okay kayo. But I think, depende ra ko na kung kinsay ko. Depende na kung kinsay pilion sa mga gahik nga tao. Basta kayo ko malingaw na kog dula sa UBL and especially sa SBL. Yan, shout out no SBL, Supreme Basketball League. Tapi ka ng bola sa itaas. Lansco failed to get the rebound. Now to Mejias against Castañeda. Wow, what a layup by Mejias. Ngayon, nag-aasaran pa yung dalawa. Huwag sa Tiguma. Sa Tagay na lang. Buti pa sa Tagay, puro shot. Walang mintis. Relova, nice turnaround from the baseline by Relova. Bitaw abinakot ni Dula ka. Wala ko na api, wala ko nakakuan, ko kahiring ani. Di po ko mailhan magud sa Tiguma kay kuan man. Kaning daghan kay tao sa Tiguma, dayon daghan pong maayo sa Tiguma. Taman rayo ko sa pagwapo ani, hanggang pagwapo lang ako. There are too many players in Barangay Tiguma, too many good players for Barangay Tiguma. I only play for fun, physical activity, na pagwapo, ano lang na jersey. Pero gadul ako sa kuan mga club. SBL of course. And UBL, dula ko sa UBL. De La Peña to Lance. Good body movement by Lance. Gets his own rebound, 8th rebound of the night. Missing it this time. Alisaka. Bounce pass to Albinula sa labas. Balik kay Alisaka, fakes. Pinasa sa kalaban. Now to Lance. De La Peña. All the way off the glass is good. 6 assists from Lance Go for tonight. 6 assists with 8 rebounds. Good numbers here for Lance. Na ginaingon nga dili kinahanglan daghan kay kagpun. Wow! High arcing 3 by Albinula. Aminula. Okay, mali. Okay na commentator, boss. Boses puhunan. Yeah. Pero gusto ko pa rin maglaro. Actually, naglalaro naman ako sa mga clubs. Lasco babawi. Can't get it to go. Mejias with a rebound. Long pass for Maghanoy. Inside. Tuburok. Falls away. And it's good. Uy, wash out. Chok Reyes. Neil J. Roda. Kamusta akong anak dito? De La Peña failing to make that shot. Alisaka, bounce pass. Burok, block from behind by De La Peña. Now to Relova. To Dagumo, behind the back pass to Relova. Nabitawan pa ang bola. Bagsak si Relova. Traveling violation. Shout out the eye kay Neil J. Roda. And of course, shout out boss Kim P. Losada of AJL 62. A very good person, very generous person. Kimpi Losada, wala ba yung laban ng tawa? Nalami kay ba kay kana bitaw? Lami kay istorya bitaw. Alisaka, no good for that baseline jumper. Mejias still can't get it to go. 9th rebound for Lansco for tonight. Lami kay istorya ni si Boss Kimpi kay walay laban ba rin. Pag mo siya di siya ganahan sa design, di siya ganahan. Wala bitaw daghang kaplastikan, karindot ba. Boss Kippy, shout out sa imo diha. And a timeout is called for Barangay Tiguma, 44-39. Munti ka nang humahabol ang Barangay Bulatok. Exciting to watch Barangay Bulatok. Neil J. Roda. Sugod na. Oh, liquid smoke. But you know, again, Ma'am Rowena, ginulap ko sa mga club. Shout out sa bumubuo ng SBL, especially to Noel, to Ryan Antenero, Carlo Guinea of course, June Bontuyan, mga admin diyan, no? Nash Tati, Emiat Dano, Christian Channing Guinea, Jude Osenya of course, Stanley Lakay, my very good friend. Dagumo, outside to De La Peña. Nakalusot. Lays it up for 2. And also to press Ben Nacion of UBL. Sugod na raba mong liga karong kuan. Lunes opening. Relova, nice turnaround by Relova. Sugod na yun karong kuan. Yeah, Lunes, no? Opening tip for UBL Invitational Cup. Basket and a foul by Las Prillas. UBL opening tip will be played in Barangay Tiguma Gymnasium. Wapo na ba ilang gym dito. Nakasuot ay yung tagwaw ani nga sapatos. Bilang na mo sponsor niya Gwaw. Las Prillas unable to complete the 3-point play. 7-point lead lang for Barangay Tiguma. It's safe to say that it's a close fight dahil hindi masyadong nakakalayo ang Tiguma for this game. Nice look there by Burok. Agawan ang bola sa baba. Jump ball. Ball goes to Barangay Bulatok. Asa man okay. 48-41, 1 minute and 2 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Burok to Las Prillas, firing from downtown. No good. Maghanoy with a rebound against two taller defenders. Labrador, binawi agad ang rebound na yon. Now to De La Peña. De La Peña to Labrador. Reverse layup short. Ang ganda ng clip ni Maghanoy, nabitawan pa ang bola. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Barangay Tiguma. Sayang. Traveling violation committed by Omandam with 22 seconds left in the third quarter. Aba, 7 puntos lang. This is an exciting game. Burok, behind the back. Ball stolen and now to Dagumo. Bounce pass para kay De La Peña. Double clutch. What a play by De La Peña. Evading that block. 3 seconds left. And no foul is called. That's the end of our third quarter. 50-41. 9-point lead for Barangay Tiguma. Starting 5 kay Soto. Next game, Santo Niño versus Barangay San Jose, boss. Barangay Santo Niño versus Barangay San Jose. Hey, sugod ng dula si Gilas. Starting 5 man si Kai. Bantay bitaw ni si Coach Choke Reyes. Mag-wild yung kudri sa gym. Kinatok na siya. Castañeda fakes. Fires from downtown. Off the mark. Las Prillas wins that rebound all the way. Basket and a foul for Las Prillas as he hangs in the air for that layup. Las Prillas finally making that 3-point play. Sasing. Lamer ba yung kening Sasing? Sasing to Itukas. Tukas Tañeda, bebe. Balik kay Sasing sa labas. Balik kay Castañeda for 3. No good. Las Prilla again for the rebound. Ball stolen from his hands by Ramones. Good defensive play by Ramones. Gi-timing yun niya ang paglanding. Oy. Alminula. No good this time. Ramones with a rebound. Alminula de malibog mo ko sa Castañeda to Laput. Heavily defended. Laput, Umararo, no good. Gets his own rebound. Isa pang Araro. Can't get it to go. Another rebound. Blocked from behind and is fouled by Las Prilla. Laput, a trip to the line for 2 free throws and no good for the first one. Second throw. Nails it in. 10-point lead for Barangay Tiguma. On 9. Mejia hangs in the air for that jumper, no good. 9-point lead for Tiguma. Sasing. Ramones inside to Laput. Turn around, baseline shot, no good. Mejias with a rebound. Now to Kiap. Ball stripped and stolen by Ramones. Masyadong malayo. Now to Castañeda. Inside to Sasing. No good pa rin. Another offensive rebound for Tiguma. Laput finally scores it in. 11-point lead for Barangay Tiguma. Kiap. Abinula. Balik kay Kiap po. Kiap lagi. No look pass. Careless pass there. Pass break para kay Sasing. And Sasing scores. And a timeout is called by Barangay Bulatok with 7 minutes and 9 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. 57-44 ang score. Back to our ball game from that timeout. Mejias to Alisaka. Balik kay Mejias. Las Prilla steps back for 3. Off the mark. Ramones with the rebound. Long pass para kay Sasing. Sasing to Ramones. Reloba. And no good. Put back, no good. Second chance is good. Mejias, Aminula, fakes, inside to Maghanoy and is fouled. Mejias, Aminula, corner 3. Lagpas this time. De Fiesta to Castañeda. (59-44). Mejias nakalusot. Double clutch. Still blocked by Reloba. Masyado talagang mahaba si Reloba. Aminula. Ball stolen, intercepted by De Fiesta to Castañeda. Balik kay De Fiesta. Reloba sa gitna. And it's good. Alisaka. Yuls.
Jersey number 16. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Iguma. Ijana Corning.
Maramara unable to make that three-pointer. 10th rebound for Lance. Pang 10 rebound ni Lance Go for this evening with 6 assists. De Fiesta to Reloba. Sa gitna, Reloba no good. Aba, lumalaban ang rebound sila. Asprilla. Lance finally put it back for Lance Go. Yeah, RIP Mike Enriquez. Ayun, there is a shout out to Itukas number 17 from Saudi Arabia by Mary Joy Itukas. Shout out Bulatok, kaya yan. Pagsulay ka daog panikamutan kay sayang. Junalisa Enka. Okay lamang na Italy, lipat na. Nanonood din ako, James. Nanonood din ako. Lamang pa rin Italy. 8 to 12. Ramones. To Castañeda, to Lance, corner 3, bang! Corner 3-pointer for Lance Go! Dagger 3-pointer by Lance, straight to the heart of Barangay Bulatok, leading Barangay Tiguma by 20 points. Lumobo na ngayon ang lamang ng Barangay Tiguma. And timeout called by Barangay Tiguma.
Barangay Tiguma.
Back to our ball game. 66 to 48. De La Peña, lumagpas ang pasa. There's a push there called against Alisaka.
Jersey number 16. Alisaka. Fourth personal foul. Second team foul.
De Fiesta to De La Peña, corner 3. No good. Rebounded by Saison. Alisaka fakes, fires, and scores for Alisaka. (50-66), 16-point lead for Barangay Tiguma with 2 minutes and 29 seconds remaining. De La Peña all the way, and yes, served by De La Peña. Las Prilla, 3-pointer, no good. De Fiesta to Anciano. Inside to Labrador. Lagpas ang tira. 18-point lead for Barangay Tiguma. Ay,
Out of bounds. Inshallah, 15.
Saison double clutch and is fouled.
Penalty.
Ay, tanaw sa tas comment section, Bill. Hey, naman nga comment section ako gitanaw god. Gilas, baby. Lagi no, namatay na rabagin akong idol, Mike Enriquez. Dugay na magudpunto siya nagsakit. Saison. No good. Burok with the rebound. Now to Saison. Attacking. Sasing, uy, nagawan pa. Good effort there by Mejias. Mejia, ay. No good.
Out of bounds.
Uy, malag. Ipalagkod si Jordan Clarkson. Sasing. Sasing to itukas. To Umandam. Outside to Nagumo for 3. Way off the mark. Anshano with a putback and it's good. Saison. Alvarez for 3. Bang! Wing 3-pointer by Alvarez. Nagumo. Time winding down. 30 seconds left. Sasing. Nag-crossover pa. A finger roll. No good. 20 seconds. Alvarez. Isa pa. Off the mark this time. Saison with a putback.
Time remaining. 11 seconds for the fourth quarter.
5 seconds left. And that's the end of our regulation, mga ka-set. So 70-56. Congratulations to Barangay Tiguma for winning this ball game.
Final score 70-56. Winner, Barangay Tiguma. This is brought to you by Mayor Sami Go, Mayor Sami Central Park.
Starting 5 siya kanina.
Nakabag lang son.
Oh. Abando. Bang!
Ibangko siya di ko sa tukon. Ilang game. Man sa pag-dunk niya.
Nalagdangan ba?
Consider lang standing sir.
Si Ruto yun. Okay daw.
Asenso, gabi mga ka-Asenso. Welcome back sa itong first ever Mayor sa Bicol Asenso Barangay Cup. O karon nahuman na gina ating 5th game which was played by Barangay Tiguma versus Barangay Bulatok, and the winner Barangay Tiguma. O karon mga ka-Asenso, no, walay player kay grabe sila kalipay sa kili mag-celebrate na garo sila kuna. Sa mga ka-Asenso, no, ayaw maghawak ang napatay last game which to be played by Barangay Santo Niño versus Barangay San Jose. Mga ka-Asenso, ayaw ka makalimot ka mo like, mo follow, mo share sa atong Facebook page Asenso Sport Channel o sa atong YouTube account Asenso Sport Channel Official para mamonitor ninyo everyday ang atong live stream. So mga ka-Asenso, relax and enjoy the game. I'm Ivy Marchan Carpentero. Padayon, pag-Asenso, pagadiyan.